All right, let's work on a TCM. Let me tell y'all what happened. Um, I was changing my transmission fluid, so I figure I might as well take out the TCM. Well, in the process of taking that out, when I took it out, I made a stick and broke off the connector port. So I had to order another one, and the one I had to order was like pre-programmed. Let's see. So when you get pre-programmed, when they give you a list of instructions to do, it's only 3 instructions you gotta do. I'll tell y'all that in a few. I'm gonna show y'all how to take this off, put the new one on there, then put it in the car, get everything back on. Cause when you put it in the car, you can't put you're not supposed to fill it up with transmission fluid. New one. Let me see if it looks exactly the same. All right. Same part numbers. See, I don't like this. This is moving a little bit. What the fuck? Well, I gotta put this in there carefully so this one don't break. We want to make sure you put all the solenoids in the exact same spots. All right, so this piece right here, you slide this off, that goes onto here. Now this got a little, what's that? I meant to clean that off. Like a magnet. Yeah, it's a magnet right there. So I'm gonna clean this off. Make sure everything clean for the new one. This one slides on top of that piece I was telling you about. Slide that out. All right, so you can slide that out. Slide that piece out. I don't like this. This stuff is. That's everything. I start by putting the solenoids back in. That clicks on. Remember, put these in the same exact spot where you took them out at. All right. So I had to order me a new scan tool, which is just came in the mail today. Before I even put any transmission fluid in there, because my scan tool did not have the feature that I needed for our cars. So I'm gonna show you the exact scan tool you can use for our cars, and it's it lets you have access to everything. And I'm gonna show you how to reset your TCM. All right, so the scan tool you're gonna need is this little guy. It should be called a, what's the name of it? I know it's an X431, I think so. It's a launch. So I'm gonna try to put a link in this description for it. So all right, let me show y'all what y'all need to do. So whenever you install your TCM, like I did, do not fill it up with transmission fluid. Just install it, put everything back on, connect the connector. So once you, first thing you do is you plug this up. Go ahead and plug this up, and you put the car in the on position. Do not turn it on. I mean, you know, do not start it, just put it on the on position. So what you want to do is, let me see, go to diagnostics, go to Mercedes. So if you got a Mercedes, Maybach, or a Sprinter, everything's gonna be free for you. Anything else you have to pay for to get extra. So you click on Mercedes, OK button, go to automatically search. So it's gonna search for your car. All right, your VIN number, right? Yes. Okay. Then you hit select, system select. Then you go to TCM. It's gonna tell you make sure your car is on. So hit OK. Okay. So to reset your transmission, go to special function down here, teaching process. The last one, teaching of selection range sensor. Now I'm gonna do this again for y'all. Are you gonna hit that? You do all this other stuff, blah blah. Hit OK. Now foot on the brake. It's gonna tell you put it in reverse. Put it in reverse. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. Now you good. Put it back on park. Now you go back. Oh no, did I say go back? Yeah, you go back. Go back again. Oops, nope. Then you go to clear faults, and it cleared it. Even I ain't really had no faults in my stuff, but that's a part of the process. Make sure you clear the fault code, then you good. All right, so I got everything set up. Got the air pump set up. I just gotta put the fluid in there. Got the car raised up. I need to take out the drain plug for the transmission filter. I mean for the transmission pan. I get everything hooked up. So if you got all right, so I think an early model 2012 Cls550, they take red fluid. Now I got the late model 2012 Cls550, so they take blue fluid. So it takes like 9.5 quarts. I bought 2 quarts of the what's that? I basically bought 2 quarts of the big bottles, and I bought 1 little small bottle just in case I need it more. Took me a while to get this dang on fluid because FedEx lost my dang package. So whatever I got left, I'm gonna just save that for next time. Oh, that fills it all the way up. All the way up. See, there's some more left in there. I still got another quart. Alright, in order for you to connect everything to the transmission pan, you're going to need the ATF109. It's going to need this little plug. Plug that in there. Now, all you got to do now, once you got everything screwed in there, turn this on. Yep. Oh, I'm dumb as hell. It wasn't plugged in the whole time. Yo, I'm trying to figure out why this shit ain't working. All right, try it again. I'm gonna get this thing started. So I gotta unplug this as soon as I start it. So when it stopped dripping, that's when you know you can you don't gotta fill up. Let's change the gears in this thing, just to make sure the transmission fluid going through all the gears. Let me wipe my hands first. Alright. Change these gears real quick. Let's start with reverse. That sounded nasty. Neutral. Drive. Let's see if the wheels turn. Oh, I got the brake. I got the foot and hand brake. I mean emergency brake. I forgot. Alright. Alright, wheels turn. That's good.
in neutral. Reverse. Let the wheels turn. Wheels turning. Boy, this thing feels so damn fast. I got my damn trunk open. Is the fucking tire flat? Hope the tire ain't flat. My damn my hood thing came up. Let me back it up. They was probably thinking I'm wild. I'm turning my tire flat. Oh, that's the tire that was bent up.